Hi students, so we're continuing with working on our periodic table, our study of the periodic table and what all information the periodic table gives us. There we go. Today's pun, be thinking about that one. If you're a cowboy in a rodeo, you do this to the running calf. Have you guys ever seen rodeos? So you're a cowboy in a rodeo, and you're on a horse, and they release a calf, and you have to do this to the calf. So, see if you can solve that at the end of the video. I'll tell you the answer. Okay, it's a funny one. All right, so back to today's work. So we're not able to do our alien periodic table of alien bugs, organizing them with their features. We're not able to do that today, that lab, but if we're at school on Monday, we're doing it Monday. It's one of my favorite labs just because it's cute. And it makes you think about looking for patterns, because the periodic table is about patterns. You have chemical patterns, chemical property patterns going vertical in the groups, and then you have repeated physical property patterns, mostly about the metals, right? Because most of the periodic table is metals, moving across the period. The word periodicity means a repeated pattern. The monthly calendar is a periodic pattern. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. It's a repeated pattern. And if you have certain things that you do on Monday, that gets put into the pattern. If you have certain things that you do every Tuesday, it gets on the pattern. My mom has yoga and choir every Wednesday, so that's part of her pattern. Okay. Every day you're supposed to go to school at a certain time on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. That's a pattern. Okay? So those physical properties are patterns all the way across the period, the row. Okay? There's certain things that'll happen in the chemical properties in the group, which we nickname the families, because they act very similar to each other because of those chemical properties. So they're a family since they act a lot alike. All right, so that's the review of some of it. Yesterday you reviewed the 6 pieces of information each element key gives you. Most of you were doing fine. Some of you forgot to do a couple of them. So some of you forgot to tell me whether it was a metalloid or a non-metal. And others forgot to tell me what state of matter it was in. Pay closer attention to what you're doing, okay? All right. So today's focus is going to be, can you tell me where it is on the periodic table? You can look at where it is and tell me which type of metal it is. And I'm going to talk to you about a couple errors that the worksheet has that you'll want to use my example one that I'm going to attach, which is what I'm attaching anyway, I've decided. Okay, so a review. Group number 1 are the highly reactive alkali metals. Highly reactive, group number 1, highly reactive alkali metals. Group number 2 are going to be your alkaline earth. Alkaline earth. You guys, you had to color that sheet and identify all these. So then you have to know transitions. Transitions are in group 3 through 12. Okay, so if it's in groups 3 through 12, you'll say it's a transition. Okay. If it's down here, it's in the actinide series. So if you find it down here, you'll say it's part of the actinide series. Okay. if it is down here and it's part of the actinide series, for the purposes of this, you're just going to come down, because they do behave slightly like their group, their coordinating group. So you'll just come down, you'll look up above it and go, okay, these guys are most like group 10. These guys are most like group 11. These guys are most like group 12, okay? And so on. So that's what you're going to do for the group if you have anybody in the actinide series, which you do. And I kind of helped you with that anyway. I think that's all you need to do and need to know in order to complete. I'm looking at the thing. Yeah, you just got to find the element. It gives you the symbol and the element name. You got to find it and then tell me what type of metal it is and then which group it's in. It's that easy for today. We're just reviewing, working through the periodic table. Okay? Get out there and play in the snow if you can, all right? But be safe and careful. The answer to the periodic table pun, pause it if you're gonna look it up and then come back to this, okay? The answer is europium. Europium. If you're a cowboy, that's what you do to the calf. Europium. I will tell you that is europium is in, it's element number 63. It's in the lanthanide series. So you'll find him in the lanthanide series, so you can write the rest of the information about him. The other thing that you need to do today and not forget to do, and I've been putting 11:59 p.m. as the due time. Anything after that is late. You need to make sure you turn in all of your bell work for this week, which are all the puns, which is worth 30 points. So make sure you submit that. It should be a single piece of paper with the answers on the front side, vertically written, like you were taught. So you start by putting the element name, symbol correctly written, atomic number, average atomic mass, group number, and then period. You can get them all on the front side of a piece of paper. I did. I wrote my key and put them all on the front side of a piece of paper. So you can do that. Put them all on the front side of a piece of paper. All right, you should have all of them. If you haven't been watching the videos, you may not have the last two. You need to go in and check the end of the video for the answer to the periodic table pun and get those written down and get those submitted by 11:59 tonight, or it's late. Have a wonderful day. Get this done by 11:59 tonight, or it's late. Have a great day.